Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Note: the display bezel can be removed without first detaching the display panel assembly from the base enclosure. Before you begin, remove the battery. Removal. Carefully pry up the inside edges of the display bezel from the top, sides, and bottom to disengage it from the display enclosure. Lift and remove the display bezel. Replacement. Place the display bezel into position on the display enclosure. Apply pressure around the outside edges of the display bezel until it snaps onto the display enclosure.